Hey guys, I got a new recipe to try today. It is a Philly cheesesteak, but they call it the cheater because it's made with ground beef instead of ribeye. First time I've ever made it, but it looks really good, so I'm going to give it a try and take you guys along with me. Enjoy! Well guys, we finished it all up and it looks amazing. I can't wait to go inside and try it. I hope you guys give it a try. It's super easy for parties, kids, adults. It takes 5 minutes, you saw here. Hope you guys like it. Tune in next time, and thanks, and keep on griddling.